too.
Does he even care? She could knock herself out.
He's okay. She's okay. Oh, she's stuck.